Hello friends, welcome to another video of the channel Anuj Gupta Aptitude. In this video, I will be discussing a typical example from the topic of HCF. The question says that the sum of two numbers is 36 and their HCF is 4. How many number of pairs may be possible for such two numbers? We have to tell how many such two numbers are possible which are having their sum as 36 and their HCF as 4. Now the solution to such kind of problems is very standard. Let the two numbers be 4x and 4y. Why have I taken these numbers to be 4x and 4y? Because the HCF over here is 4. Therefore, both the numbers are only having common 4 in between them and both needs to be a multiple of 4. If the HCF would have given to us as 14, then I would have taken the numbers as 14x and 14y. Now, let us go back to our question. According to the condition, the sum of two numbers is 4x plus 4y, that is equals to 36. Taking out 4 common, it becomes 4 times x plus y equals to 36. Cancelling this 4, I can say that the sum of x plus y is 9. Now over here, I request you to pause the video and think which two single digit numbers can give us a sum of 9 and make a list of all those numbers. Now moving on further, we can say that the pairs are 18, 27, 36 and 45. Although the pairs can be 54, 63, 72 or 81, but the question over here asks me the number of pairs. It does not ask me the number of ordered pairs. If the question would have asked me the number of ordered pairs, then 1, 8 and 8, 1 would have been a different pair. But over here the word ordered is missing, hence I can say that only the pair 1, 8 is of my use. Therefore, I can see that the pairs are listed as 18, 27, 36 and 45. I am cancelling 3, 6 out of this. Now the reason for cancelling out 3, 6 is very simple. 3 and 6 are not co-prime to each other, that is, they are not having HCF as 1. So I need to cancel out all those pairs in the list which are not having HCF as 1, because in case, like for example, 3, 6 is having an HCF of 3 and my question says that I need the HCF only as 4. Therefore, on taking such kind of pairs like 3, 6, my HCF will no longer be 4, it will become 4 as well as 3, that is 4 into 3, and the HCF will become 12, which will violate the condition of the question given to us. Therefore, always keep in mind whenever such kind of questions come, you always struck off all those pairs which are not having their HCF as 1. Now, after strucking off, I can see that I have 1 pair, 2 pair and 3 pairs. Therefore, the total number of pairs which are available are 3. Hence, tick 3 as your answer. If the question would have been that find the number of ordered pairs, then again it would have been 3 into 2, that is 6 pairs, because A, B and B, A are two separate pairs. I hope you are able to understand this question. The variation in this question can be that instead of sum of two numbers, it can also come as product of two numbers. Kindly keep the concept in mind while solving the question in the case of products. Thank you.